Lions don't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. Touch situations build strong people. If you born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. You are stronger than you think. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Your positive action combined with positive thinking results in success. Learning is never done without errors and defeat. A winner is just a loser who tried one more time. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Be stronger than your excuses. I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Education is our passport to the future. For tomorrow, blessings to the people who prepare for it today. Challenges are what makes life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. A little progress each day adds up to big results. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have 1,000,000 reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.